Security policies and procedures, access control, use of strong, unique passwords and multi-factor authentication, MFA, regular review and updating of access permissions, restriction of access based on the principle of least privilege, POLP, data protection, encryption of sensitive data both at rest and in transit, regular data backups and secure storage practices, implementation of data retention and disposal policies, network security, use of firewalls, intrusion detection prevention systems, IDS, IPS, secure configuration of network devices and regular updates, monitoring and logging of network activities for anomalies, physical security, controlled access to physical facilities and equipment, surveillance systems and alarms for unauthorized access, secure disposal of physical documents and media containing sensitive information, incident response, clear procedures for reporting security incidents, incident response team with defined roles and responsibilities, regular testing and updating of incident response plans, employee training and awareness, security awareness training for all employees, policies on acceptable use of company resources, regular updates and reminders on security best practices, vendor and third-party management, assessment of security practices and policies of third-party vendors, contracts specifying security requirements and responsibilities, regular audits and reviews of third-party security measures, compliance and legal requirements, adherence to relevant laws, regulations, and industry standards, regular audits and assessments to ensure compliance, documented policies and procedures for regulatory requirements, continuous improvement, regular security assessments and vulnerability testing, feedback loops for security incidents and near misses, integration of lessons learned into security policies and procedures. These points provide a structured approach to developing comprehensive security policies and procedures tailored to an organization's specific needs and risks.